Hope you'll join Bertha Lynn and Ernie Bjorkman for live, local, late-breaking coverage of Colorado news.
Followed by America's #1 network news, ABC's World News Tonight with Peter Jennings.
7 and ABC. We've got the news you're looking for.
The three of you guys look so tight, like you're this little sandwich.
Well, our shoulder pads were so broad back then.
Yeah, styles have changed over the years.
There wasn't room for all of us.
That's right. Well, so many of us really have had such a privilege to sit at this desk with you, and just such an honor. But there's one person, of course, that definitely stands out. You saw him there over and over on our website and our Facebook page. People, of course, are remembering the work that you did with Ernie Bjorkman back in the 90s. They're affectionately recalling the team, as you know, Bert and Ernie. And Ernie even took the time to write in. He says, "It was my honor and privilege to work with such a professional in my tenure at Channel 7. We had many great times, and yes, a few bad times, but through it all, Bertha was the eternal smiling face." And the thing that I remember about Bertha was that she not only reported and read the news, she felt the news. Good luck, Bertha. I will always remember the days of Bert and Ernie. But as we know, you've been around for a while, so Ernie's not the only co-anchor who has a message for you.
And think about it, no more IFBs, no more wearing microphones, no more lugging around tripods. Your life is changing. Congratulations on your new adventure. We wish you well.
Bertha, when I think of you, I think of two words: class act. You're a class act. I've always enjoyed you since I met you in 1977. You were doing the noon show over KBTV. Working with you has always been a treat, and I'm glad that I got an opportunity to do it again when I came back to Denver in 2002. You have the greatest laugh in the world. Class act, my friend. The very best to you.
Bertha, you're the only person I know who does not age. You look as beautiful today as when you started, which for me, that means as I sit next to you, it makes me look like Abe Vigoda, so thanks, appreciate that. We've worked together for 17 years, which means you've probably had 34 hairstyles in that time, but always look great, but a good friend, a great professional, and I appreciate it, and I will miss you very much. Congratulations.
He's true. You have not aged. So I think that just means that you started in this business when you were 9 in order to be here this long.
Just don't do the math. Do me a favor,
I'm
don't
just
do the
going
math,
with that.
okay?
You were young when you started.
Well, let's return.